Hello guys, welcome to Engineers Our World. Now I'm discussing about extrude option. If you check the previous classes, you have got how to create the extrude option also, extrude cut also, but we don't discuss about what are the conditions should follow while creating the extrude or extrude cut option. See, every sketch will not allow to create extrude part. So first of all, you should keep it in your mind. What are the sketcher you are creating, that it should follow minimum three conditions. Those are the three basic conditions. First condition is your sketcher must be closed. That means whatever the sketcher you have created, that it should completely close. Okay, but every sketch is closed. Every closed sketch or every sketch is closed. The both are not same. Why? See, this sketch is completely closed, and one more condition is there should not be any openings, and third condition is there should not be any overlappings. And as per three conditions, first condition is the sketches should be closed. That means this sketcher is completely closed. There should not be any openings, there should not be any overlaps. See, even though okay, what is open-end? Open-end is considered this. Okay, if you have this is completely open-end, that means the both ends are not closed. Okay, so this is called as an open-end. And see, and what about this sketcher? Is this sketcher completely following all these three conditions? Just keep it in your mind whether yes or no. Before I telling the answer, you just tell me whether this following the whether this sketch is following all those three conditions. What are the three conditions? The sketcher must be closed, there should not be any openings, there should not be any overlaps. So as per my concern, okay, I'm telling the question answer. As per my concern, it is not completely following all those three conditions, because this line, whatever that this line is, it is completely overlapping on this sketcher. So how to identify your sketcher is closed or not? Just keep it in mind. You are a racer or runner, okay, and this is your running court or something like that, okay, and you're starting from here, okay, and you keep on running or racing like towards this path, okay, and you should reach from where you start, that is your end point after completing one cycle or whatever it is. So while running or while racing your car or whatever it is, you just keep it in mind, there should be only one path. That means, okay, if I consider this whole sketcher, if I start from here, how many paths do I have? From here to here I can reach like this. Otherwise from here I can reach like this, okay, otherwise from here I can reach like this. That means nearly more than 2 or 3 paths I have. Okay, so then your sketcher is not following all those three conditions what we discussed earlier. So what should we do? Whether okay, where you are going, like from here to here you're going like this, then you should remove this. That means the unwanted path. Okay, while you are running or while you are racing in your car, you should keep it in mind, whatever the unwanted path which is you are not using in your way, you should remove that. So which tool you should use to remove that areas? You should use this trim entities. Select this and cut it. Now this condition is completely, this sketcher is completely following all those three conditions. Okay, and one more thing you have to remember, if at all it is showing the inside filling area, then your condition is, all those three conditions are following. And if you check that in previous case also, it is showing that complete area. That means there is a closed loop, but one more condition extra is that is overlapping. So to recognize that overlapping, there is no any particular what is called identification is not there, but you can remember this. If you compare this both lines, you can check this, it has thin line. Compared to this, there is some what is called some thickness will be reduces. So you can also identify that this. Okay, if I remove this and the both sketchers are both the lines are having same thickness, you can also recognize this. Okay, and after completing this, and just keep it dimensions, what are the dimensions you want, okay, and change the dimensions and close the window, exit. Now you can use same extrude, revolve or extrude cut. Thank you.